Every single day, countless men wake up with discomfort, frequent bathroom trips, and that lingering worry about their prostate health. But imagine if you could take control naturally without fear, without confusion, and without giving up your quality of life. Gentlemen, your body has an incredible ability to heal itself when you give it the right tools. It doesn't have to define your health, and prostate problems don't have to control your future. Today, I'm going to share 3 powerful daily habits that can help shrink your prostate naturally and restore the confidence you deserve. Let's start with the first habit, hydrating smartly. Most men either drink too little water or make the mistake of consuming large amounts of fluids at the wrong times. Your bladder and prostate work closely together, and constant pressure from excess nighttime fluids can worsen symptoms like frequent urination and incomplete emptying. Start your day with a tall glass of water to flush toxins and support circulation, but taper off your fluid intake in the evening. Choose natural drinks like warm water with lemon or herbal teas that calm inflammation. By simply managing when and how you hydrate, you can dramatically reduce nighttime discomfort and give your prostate the environment it needs to heal. The second habit is movement intentional, daily movement. A sedentary lifestyle slows blood flow, increases inflammation, and contributes to hormonal imbalances that make the prostate enlarge. Gentle daily exercises, such as brisk walking, light stretching, or pelvic floor exercises, can work wonders. Aim for at least 20 to 30 minutes a day. When you move, you're not just supporting your prostate, you're improving circulation, boosting testosterone balance, and lowering stress hormones that often aggravate prostate issues. This is not about extreme workouts. It's about consistency and circulation. Your prostate responds incredibly well to regular physical activity. And finally, the third habit, nourish your body with anti-inflammatory foods. What you put on your plate every day either fuels healing or fuels inflammation. Incorporate foods rich in antioxidants and healthy fats, such as tomatoes, pumpkin seeds, walnuts, flax seeds, cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower, and green leafy vegetables. These are packed with nutrients that support hormonal balance, reduce swelling, and protect the prostate from oxidative damage. Cut back on processed meats, sugar, and excessive dairy, which often worsen symptoms. Think of your meals as daily medicine. Every bite can either help or harm your prostate. Gentlemen, your prostate health is not out of your hands. These 3 habits, hydrating smartly, moving daily, and eating powerfully, may seem simple, but their impact is profound when practiced consistently. Your future vitality depends on the small choices you make every single day. Don't wait for discomfort to become a crisis. Take control now. Start today. Transform your routine into a powerful shield of protection. Your health, your strength, and your comfort are worth the effort. Make the decision to act, to commit, and to reclaim your power one habit at a time. Imagine waking up every morning with energy, comfort, and the confidence that your body is working for you, not against you. Too many men believe that prostate problems are an inevitable part of aging, but that's not true. Your prostate responds powerfully to consistent, smart choices. In part 2, we're going even deeper. These next 3 habits can take your prostate healing journey to the next level and help you reclaim your strength naturally. The fourth habit is mastering your stress. Chronic stress doesn't just affect your mind, it silently disrupts your hormones, tightens pelvic muscles, and increases inflammation throughout your body. All of this can aggravate prostate swelling and worsen urinary symptoms. Start by incorporating 5 to 10 minutes of deep breathing, meditation, or quiet reflection into your daily routine. Gentle breathing through the nose, holding for a few seconds, and exhaling slowly can reduce tension in the pelvic area and support healthy blood flow. Remember, calming your mind is not a luxury, it's a powerful healing tool. The fifth habit is optimizing your sleep. Your body does its deepest repair work while you sleep. Poor or interrupted sleep can increase inflammation, reduce testosterone, and slow your body's ability to shrink an enlarged prostate. Make your bedroom a place of rest, keep it cool, dark, and free of distractions. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. If you often wake up to use the bathroom, Adjust your fluid intake earlier in the day and avoid caffeine or alcohol in the evening. Restorative sleep is one of the most underrated natural therapies for prostate health. The sixth and final habit is regular detoxification. Over time, your body can accumulate toxins from processed foods, environmental pollutants, and medications. These can stress the liver, disrupt hormone balance, and increase inflammation, all of which affect the prostate. Gentle detox doesn't mean extreme cleanses. It means supporting your body daily through hydration, fiber-rich foods, and habits like sweating through light exercise or sauna sessions. A well-supported detox system keeps your hormones balanced and your prostate environment clean and healthy. These three additional habits, managing stress, improving sleep, and supporting detoxification, can transform your body's ability to heal itself from within. Your prostate doesn't need quick fixes, it needs consistent care. Gentlemen, this is your time to rise. Start implementing these habits today, not tomorrow, not someday. Your comfort, vitality, and freedom are in your hands. Make the choice to show up for yourself every single day. Take action now, and let these habits reshape your future with strength and confidence. Picture this: you're in your 60s, 70s, or even 80s, waking up refreshed, no urgency, no discomfort, no fear of the bathroom controlling your life. This isn't a fantasy. When you consistently nurture your prostate with smart daily habits, your body responds. In part 3, we are unlocking 3 more powerful steps that can accelerate natural healing and keep your prostate in its best shape for years to come. The 7th habit is supporting your hormones naturally. Hormonal balance plays a huge role in prostate size and function. As men age, testosterone can decline while estrogen levels subtly rise, creating an imbalance that contributes to enlargement. You can help your body rebalance by maintaining a healthy weight, limiting alcohol, avoiding processed sugar, and including foods rich in zinc, omega-3s, and antioxidants. Nutrients from pumpkin seeds, fatty fish, avocados, and leafy greens nourish your endocrine system. Consistent habits help stabilize testosterone naturally and reduce the hormonal triggers behind prostate swelling. The 8th habit is strengthening your pelvic floor. Just like any other muscle, your pelvic floor can be trained to support better bladder control and prostate function. Pelvic floor exercises, often called Kegels, are simple but incredibly effective. Contract the muscles you use to stop urination. Hold for a few seconds, then release. Repeat this several times throughout the day. Over time, this strengthens the muscles around the bladder and prostate, improving flow, reducing urgency, and supporting long-term prostate health. It's a small daily effort with a huge payoff. The 9th and final habit is regular check-ins with your body. Too many men ignore early warning signs or delay getting checked out until problems escalate. Pay attention to your body's signals, changes in urination, discomfort, or unusual symptoms. Regular self-awareness combined with routine screenings helps you catch potential issues early when they're easiest to address naturally. Remember, being proactive is not weakness, it's wisdom. Your body speaks, it's time to listen. These last 3 habits, balancing hormones, strengthening your pelvic floor, and tuning into your body's signals, complete a powerful blueprint for natural prostate health. When combined with the habits from parts 1 and 2, they create a daily lifestyle that doesn't just shrink your prostate but supports your overall vitality. Gentlemen, this is your moment. Don't settle for discomfort. Don't wait for someone else to take charge. Take control of your health now. Consistency builds transformation. Start today. Stay committed. Your future strength, comfort, and freedom are in your hands.